So every time as we head into winter, every year, I hear from women they're exhausted. It's this time of year as the holiday season gets closer, our schedules start getting busier, we have a lot of demands on us, and the world is speeding up. Meanwhile, because it's winter, our body wants to go slow. So we've got this kind of conflict going on between the world around us and our bodies, and it is exhausting. I'm sure you know that feeling, because I certainly do too. So this time of year it can feel bonkers. It can be really noisy. We've got so many demands on us. We've got Christmas dues to go to. We've got to plan Christmas or whatever festivities you enjoy. We've got family demands. We've got kids to look after, maybe. We've got jobs and deadlines of things to get done before the end of the year. There's a lot happening, and our social schedule tends to get out of control. Meanwhile, the weather's really cold and miserable. It's really wet at the moment. And so who wants to go outside? And yeah, we kind of have to go outside sometimes to get some of this done. So we end up kind of disconnected sometimes from our own energies, and it's exhausting. It can feel like we're on a bit of a treadmill this time of year. There's so much going on. We're just doing, 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 doing. And yet we can feel like we're running on empty. So this year, I normally do a healing series around this time of year, kind of end of November, beginning of December. And I thought we'd tap into this and tap into this kind of issue, area of life. And so we can take some time out amongst the hectic weeks coming up, take some time for ourselves to fill our cup so that we're ready to deal with whatever life throws at us over the coming weeks. So we're going to do some nice, soft, soothing, um, nurturing healing sessions to reconnect with ourselves. Find that space amongst the hecticness to connect with ourselves, connect with that inner glow, that energy within us that we may not be tapping into. Because we've got an infinite amount of energy within our body minds. You get into the science of it. There's an infinite amount of energy, and yet we just don't tap into it. It's like we're kind of surface skimming our energy, from our food and things, but there's so much more energy that we can tap into. And we're going to kind of work through that, work through some of the blocks and everything else that kind of adds to this hecticness this time of year and stops you from connecting with yourself and being there for yourself as well amongst this hectic time. And when you're really busy, you probably think the last thing I need, Eloise, is another thing to do. And yet, committing to doing these little, don't worry, they won't be too long, short sessions over 3 weeks is going to help light that fire within you. It's going to give you more energy. Finding that time for you as well is going to be such a gift, but it's going to open up a space that means that you can deal with the world around you, the hectic craziness of chaos of this time of year, and feel like you. Not like you're being trodden on and washed over and walked over and anything else. Like, feel like you're present, that you're not necessarily in control, because we can never be completely in control, but feel like you've got some, um, what's the word? So we're going to take a pause, we're going to breathe, and we're going to fill our cup up again before the year ends. So join me for the glow within. There's going to be a 3 week healing journey to reset, to reconnect, to tap into those energies that you're not utilizing, replenish and reignite that light within you. Tapping into the essence of you, the energy of you, and that bountifulness of energy that you're just not accessing, utilizing. Maybe you've just forgotten it. So this isn't about fixing you, it's about finding that glow, that inner glow of you again. So you'll be able to breathe easier, maybe sleep a little better, deal with all the hecticness of this time of year with maybe a smile on your face and some laughter in your heart. So if you're craving some calm, some warmth, some connection with yourself, and maybe a little bit of a reset before the end of the year, join me for the Glow Within. We're starting on Monday, the 24th of November, 2025. Every day, Monday to Friday, for 3 weeks at least. We always see where the energy goes. It might be longer, but at least 15 days over 3 weeks, maybe a bit more. I will tune into the group of whoever signs up and find out what we need. What do we need to tap into that inner glow? What do we need to unlock to tap into that energy within us? How do we need to reset the body so that we can have more ease over the coming weeks and glide through the festivities and winter and the colder winter with a smile on our face and a glow in our heart? So the sessions are going to be online for you to access. I'll email you as soon as they're live. I will do them every day and drop you an email every time one goes live, so you can just enjoy at your own pace. You can listen to the sessions with your favourite cup of tea. You can lie and cozy up on the sofa or in bed. Some people listen to them in the bath. Some people listen to them on the train or while they're going for a walk. Whatever floats your boat. But make space for them. Make space for you this winter. Let's finish 2025 with some ease, with that inner glow burning, and let's see what we can create before the end of the year. And at least get you through the next few weeks and months with a little bit more energy and a little bit more lightness in your step.